Welcome to Boundless Shift Tutorials, tutorial number 4. Selecting your words or in your document. You'll be selecting a single word, a group of words, paragraph, and the entire document. How to select a single word. To select a single word, you point over it. On this instance, the word Alex and computers, I'll begin with Alex. So I point over the word Alex, then I double click. By double clicking, that is how quickly I've selected a single word. Again, Alex and computers, I'll go for computers now. To select computers, I point over the word computers and then I double click over it, meaning every word anywhere. That is how you can select it quickly. Now selecting a group of words. Now meaning I want to select this entire line, which is Alex and computers, or a group of words. How do I go about? Right, it is either you point your mouse at the beginning or at the end of the group of words which I want to select. So now I'll point at the beginning which says Alex and computers. After pointing there, I click and hold my left mouse button, then you drag over to the right side till I reach the word computer, then I release. Now I've selected a group of words again. Now I'll start from the end of the group of words I want to select from. So I point, click and hold the left mouse button, then I drag over till I reach the beginning of the word Alex. Once I've reached there, then you release your left mouse button. So you must remember this, you need to keep your hand steady while doing this. Now selecting a paragraph. To select a paragraph, you can use the same method. So how do you go about? At the beginning of the paragraph, you point there, you click and hold the left mouse button, then you drag over till you reach the end of this paragraph. Once you have done so, you can release. This is how I have selected my paragraph. Again, start from the end now to try a different tactic. Click and hold your mouse button, then you can drag over till you reach the beginning of this paragraph. But there is a quicker way that you can go for. Rather than dragging over like this, it will be tiring sometimes. So how do I go about? On the left side of my paragraph, on the left margin of it, what do I do? I move my mouse till it is pointing and it is diagonally pointing in or toward my paragraph. So once it says done like that, then what I can do is that you can double click. By double clicking, you've selected this paragraph quickly. Again, how to select a paragraph quickly? I'll use paragraph number 2. On the left side, you wait for mouse to change to be diagonally pointing toward this paragraph, and then you double click. By double clicking, you have selected the entire paragraph. Assuming that you have a page, the entire document now, or this entire page, how do I go about? Alright, so we can go like this. Now it is either from the beginning of this page or document, I point my mouse from the very first line of it, I click and hold my mouse button, and then I drag down like this till I reach the end where I wanna stop. Then you can release your mouse button. By doing so, you've selected this entire page or document. At the moment I have one page, so either I go down, there is no other page after this, so meaning I've selected the entire document. Now assuming that this document is 5 pages document, will I do the same thing, clicking and then dragging down till I reach the end? No, I can't. So to do so, what is this that you'll do? Then you can go about like this. You can simply click thrice in quick succession on the left margin of your document. So 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, let me try again. 1, 2, 3. Then I've selected the entire document. What do you do again? On the left margin of your document, you click thrice in quick succession, 1, 2, 3 like this. Then I've selected the entire document. Another approach that you can go for is to use your keyboard shortcuts. So select everything, or to select all that is in your document. What do you do? You can go like this. On a computer, there is the control command, which is CTRL. You hold it down, and then once you have held it down, then you can locate the A letter or a alphabet, then you can press it once. Once you have done so, you have selected everything in your document. So this is how you can select the entire document also. So again, what do? You press Ctrl A like this. This is how we go about. But another approach that you can use here, on your ribbon, you locate the editing group, which is on your far right side. Then there is a select command which is there. Then you click to it. Then there will be a drop down list which is popping up. Then you can click select all. By doing like this, you've selected everything in your document or the entire document, irrespective of how many pages you have with this. Thank you.